This is the wide clamp from SnakeClamp products. It's made of tough, lightweight fiber reinforced nylon, assembled in the USA, and it weighs 9 ounces. It has a very strong spring. The jaws are a full 6 inches wide. It has a reach of 3 3/4 inches. The opening at the front is 3 inches, and at the back is 2 3/8 inches. The wide clamp includes a 3/8 inch by 1.5 inch long stainless steel screw for attaching to SnakeClamp brand flexible gooseneck or rigid arms. The wide clamp can be attached perpendicular to your flexible gooseneck or rigid arm. Simply insert the screw and gently tighten the set screw to lock it into place. The wide clamp can also be attached parallel to the flexible gooseneck arm. Insert the screw, gently tighten the set screw to lock it into place. This is part number SCP-WC, the wide clamp from SnakeClamp products.